What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Resale back at it again with another video for y'all. Today we got an unboxing. We're gonna get into it. I believe it's Goyard, or it might be some sneakers from some Nike Dunk sneakers from my vendor. But it could be a couple of Goyard bags. But we're gonna get into it right now. Got my scissors right here. And let's start. But yeah, I've been waiting on a couple of packs to touch down. As you can see on screen right here, it's a whole bunch of Yeezys. Got like 15 pairs right here. I just sold 3 pairs, 3 pairs of Yeezys, 2 pairs of Jordans, and yeah, I sold some Louis bags too. I made like 700 quick cash just to get some inventory going. But here we got 2 more boxes that I just took out of that package. This seems to be shoes. I believe these are both probably Nike Dunks. But yeah, these boxes are in perfect condition. These were packaged very well. They came double wrap, so I'm happy about that. Usually my boxes come smashed, but I had to talk with my own suppliers, and thankfully they were able to rearrange the way that they were packaging the packages. But right here we got some size 11 Nike Dunks, SB Dunks, boxed in perfect condition, flawless. Box these, and then we got the Supreme 9-4 Dunks in black. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, these pretty clean. These ones look pretty clean. If y'all see my reviews, I have the blue ones, the black and blue ones, out of the collection. It is like a 5 to 6 pair collection, but this is the all black pair. So you got the 9-4 right here, got the Tron, get into that size tag a little bit. Got the Nike on the back, speaks flawlessly. The front of the Tron, Nike SB Dunk logo. This one is really simple, just an all black dunk with a red inner lining. I just copped this one to get it as a part of the collection. This is a size 11. The black and blue pair that I already unboxed is also a size 11. So this is 2 pairs out of the collection. I'm waiting on one more colorway right now. And hopefully, as we get into this unboxing, that's the one it is, because I'm very excited about this colorway. But this is the all black one. Size 11, like I said. And yeah. Clean sneaker overall, all of the extra laces and the little hang tag. The hang tag do say Supreme. If you can't see it, Nike SB Supreme. And it came with the extra laces, tissue paper, and everything inside. But definitely can't complain about this purchase. They added to the collection with the black and blue ones. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep those or if I'm gonna sell them. If I find a buyer at the right price, then I'm gonna sell them and just buy more. But I kind of like them for personals, especially the black and blue ones and the other color that I'm expecting to get. So on to that next box though. You can see we got a size 10 Supreme Dunk right here. I believe this is the one that I was looking for. Yes, it is. So here, we got the purple Supreme Dunks. Supreme 9-4 Dunks. Purple and gray. On the Chevy. Right here. Yeah, extra lace. Yeah. This is the purple Supreme 9-4 Dunk. And these are pretty fire to me, I ain't gonna lie. This is my favorite colorway out of the collection, the purple and gray ones. This is a real clean sneaker. Sadly, I'm missing a hang tag on this pair. I don't know why. It comes with the hang tag, as you just saw. It's supposed to come with the hang tag like this and the laces attached. I got the laces right here, but no hang tag for the purple ones. So yeah, these is very dope. You got the Supreme right there on the side. You see the stitching is flawless. Everything is flawless. Back, you got the Nike. On the inside of the insoles, it says Supreme right there. Supreme. Got the 9 for it, of course. Flawless stitch Nike sign right there. The suede is good. I don't know what mark this is. It's a mark on the suede. But overall, pretty clean. I can't complain about this pair either. Putting the tongue out, you see the suede. You see how good the suede is. Like, this is flawless. So, I'm very happy about this pair. Hopefully, like I said, I can find a buyer at the right price and sell it for like $300 or $400. This is the purple Supreme Dunk. Purple and gray joint. I'm pretty satisfied. I low-key want them to release this same pair in all purple, like all purple without the gray, but I'm not mad at the gray. I'm very happy about the suede. That shit is buttery. Yeah, can't be mad at this pair at all. But like I said, hopefully I find a buyer for $400. That's the purple Supreme Dunks right here. And then we got the black ones. I do have another pair. I ain't gonna lie, these black ones looking hella clean right now. I do got another pair of purple ones on the way in a size 11. So I'm definitely gonna flip a size 10. Other than that, I got some Oregon Dunks on the way. Yeah, I can sell those. Keep shit moving. I'm probably gonna put an order there today.